Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can sign up in Intuit Credit Karma account. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is open your Credit Karma app. Once you open it, it will load for a while and end up in this page where you need to type in your first name and your last name. So once you're done typing in both your credentials, all you need to do is fill in the other options, which is completely optional, and click the continue button. After this, you need to enter your home address, where you need to type in your street, your city address, your state address, and finally you also need to enter your zip code. After doing this, click on the continue button and enter your social security number. Now the final step is typing in your date of birth, and after you are done, you need to click the continue button and you are all signed up into your Credit Karma account. I hope this video was helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.